Hi, let's talk about data mining. Okay, because data mining for business intelligence can provide salespeople with a treasure trove of information with which to attend to their customers' unique requirements. Data mining's main objective is to reveal interesting patterns, associations, rules, changes, irregularities, and general regularities from the data to improve decision making. Salespeople should be knowledgeable on how to perform data mining. They must possess the technological tools and know how to conduct data mining in a way that will allow them to leverage such efforts to advantage. So initially, salespeople must identify and collect the data that they feel is pertinent to their specific data mining situation. When proposing to management the advantages of using data mining, salespeople can make the following arguments. One, data mining can reveal an abundance of customer information. Two, data mining helps salespeople improve their understanding of customers. Three, it requires users to search and analyze data to find useful information that can uncover previously unknown patterns of relationship among customer variables, such as sales volume and customer size. Four, data mining can offer detailed information about each customer's needs. Five, it allows firms to make enhanced use of the information they have about their customers. And six, data mining can serve as an especially effective tool to help salespeople attend to the unique needs of their customers. So let's discuss a case study. So the salesperson in this particular study worked for a firm that sells maintenance, repair, and operations, MRO products, B2B, and the competition consists of broadline distributors, regional suppliers, and local suppliers. So the salesperson gathered data for the previous 12-month period for her territory, which consisted of 20 customers in the commercial, manufacturing, and healthcare segments. Average sales volume was 103,000. Standard deviation was 23,500. Smallest customer, a new healthcare customer, had annual sales of $4,500. Largest customer had sales of $330,000. So after identifying the accounts to be used, the data should be classified in two levels would work. Product groupings, the salesperson would need to determine how the product mix can be meaningfully classified. Product line, complementary items, individual items. Now, the salesperson in the study categorized the sales into 102 distinct product categories. Customer profiles might include customer size, customer demographics, purchase patterns, account call frequency, etc. For each characteristic, the salesperson will assign a numerical value to represent that category. For this data analysis, the salesperson chose multiple linear regression, cluster analysis, and association rules. She chose these because her purposes for data mining were to A, employ a set of customer characteristics to predict sales revenue per customer, which is what multiple linear regression does, and segment the territory into customer groups, which is what cluster analysis does. And lastly, identify cross-selling opportunities, which is what association rules do. Salespeople used Excel to run the multiple linear regression. Briefly, the results showed that non-corporate customers generated $65,000 more sales revenue than corporate customers, possibly due to deeper discounts. Prepaid freight customers had sales $182,000 higher than those who do not have prepaid freight. E-commerce customers ordered $122,000 more product than those who ordered by phone. And she used statistical software, SAS, SPSS, and others, was used for the cluster analysis. Cluster analysis seeks to reduce data to look for similarities. So customers within a segment should have similar profile characteristics, but have dissimilar profile characteristics from customers in other segments. Association rules are also known as market basket analysis. An association rule has a generic format. If product A is purchased, then product B should also be purchased. Think of peanut butter and jelly. Product A is the antecedent product. Product B is the consequent product. Three parameters are generated in the analysis. Support, which is the number of transactions for a particular customer that included both the antecedent and consequent products in the rule. Confidence, which is the probability of purchasing a consequent product given that the antecedent product was purchased. and lift, which is the ratio of confidence to the profitability of purchasing the consequent product. A lift ratio of 1.0 or higher suggests that an association is significant between antecedents and consequent products. The higher the ratio, the greater is the strength of the association between the two products. Because each salesperson's territory is different, the findings cannot be generalized to other salespeople's territories. Salespeople with fewer than 10 customers may find that data mining may not be particularly useful for them, and they should use in-depth interviews with their customers to gather good information. Statistics and analytics cannot replace human intuition. Salespeople must still carefully analyze the findings to assure that data mining results are logical. I know that all of this might be very technical, but it is not hard to learn, and it is imperative that you data mine your customers.